So right now you're doom scrolling thinking, I should work out, but gyms are expensive. I'm not fit enough to start. I don't even know what I'm doing. Perfect. Because I used to say the exact same nonsense. And I'm telling you straight, those excuses feel real, but they're fake obstacles. Stick with me till the end, because after this video, you'll know exactly how to start, what to do each week, and how to actually build a body that looks like you train even without a gym. Let's fix this. The truth about starting out of shape. Most people think calisthenics is only for the crazy guys doing handstands on street poles with veins on their veins. I thought that too. But here's the truth. Being out of shape isn't the problem, it's actually an advantage. Because calisthenics has a secret cheat code. Every movement has an easier version, and every movement has a harder version. So you don't need to get fit first. You get fit by starting. And the best part, it costs basically zero. What you'll learn in this video. Here's what I'm giving you today. What you actually need to train at home. The simple training split that works. How to progress without getting stuck. Nutrition plus recovery basics. The real game changer, a checklist you can follow today. No membership, no machines, no excuses. Let's go. Step 1. What you need. It's embarrassingly simple. If you think you need fancy equipment and complicated setups, relax. You need only 3 things. Floor, a chair, something to pull on. That's it. A pull-up bar is best. But if you don't have it, use a park bar. Use a sturdy table for rows. Use a door frame bar. Use a goal post. Use anything that doesn't break and send you to the hospital. If you can watch YouTube shorts, you can also find a setup tutorial. So congratulations, you're officially out of excuses. Step 2. The workout plan that actually works. Listen carefully. Doing 100 push-ups every day isn't a program. It's just punishment. You want a plan that hits your whole body. The easiest structure for beginners is full body, 3 days a week, or push-pull legs. PPL. I'll explain it in the most simple way possible. The 4 movement groups. Your whole gym. 1. Push targets. Chest, shoulders, triceps. Examples: push-ups, incline push-ups, dips. 2. Pull targets. Back, biceps. Examples: rows, pull-ups, band pulls. 3. Legs targets. Quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves. Examples: squats, lunges, stirrups. Core targets. Abs plus stability. Examples: planks, leg raises, crunches. That's it. You don't need 25 exercises. You need the right basics done consistently. Train 3-4 days a week for the first month. Later, you can go 4-6 days when your body adapts. Don't start like a maniac. Start like someone who wants results for life.